The simplest example of content is the video you are watching right now. We face it every day on YouTube, in TikTok, in Telegram channel, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. Quality and constantly updated content gives you an opportunity to attract new audience and increase interest in the product, and that means it brings you money. Making money by content is easy. Becoming a one-win agent, you can create your own content, attract more players, and earn money for every deposit and withdrawal. It's a ready-made business model. What kind of content are there? Useful, user-generated, communicative, news, entertainment. Each of them solve a different challenge and affect your earning in its own way. See for yourself.